Hello everyone. Today I will be installing our exclusive U-Haul SmartConnect trailer wiring harness on this Kia Telluride. If you plan on towing a trailer, you're going to need trailer wiring. It is required by the law. You'll need the following tools or supplies to complete this installation. Our U-Haul SmartConnect trailer wiring is an easy plug-and-play installation that utilizes factory connectors. Unlike other trailer wiring harnesses where you need to know what kind of tail lights you have, ours will utilize a factory tow package and it doesn't matter what tail lights you have. The SmartConnect is also built for more. We have included the connections for a 7-way harness and a relay for your 12-volt charge line. This harness could keep you towing with future needs in case you need the addition of a 7-way socket. These can always be picked up at your nearest local U-Haul Hitch Center or ordered online. Now, begin with the cargo hatch open and remove your floorboards. On the driver's side, remove the trim cover hiding the vehicle's jacking equipment. For this installation, I will be mounting the 4-flat connector on a bracket for the customer, but do note that this wiring harness has protection as well. The weather stripping in the door will allow it to be used through the door in that once or twice that you may use it. The choice is yours, but I'm going to go ahead and show you how to route it under the bumper. The grommet we will use to get under the bumper can be found forward inside the jacking equipment area. To make things easier though, let's go ahead and remove some of this jacking equipment and give us a little more space. Reach in and pull the grommet from the vehicle body. Using a pair of aviation shears, cut a slit in the grommet to allow the wiring harness to pass through and you'll be able to reseat the grommet around it. Now pass the 4-flat connector out the access hole and we will retrieve it from underneath. Behind our driver's side tire, you can see the electrical harness that passes through the grommet. You will find your 4-flat connector between the trim carpet and the vehicle body. In this case, mine got almost all the way out. Pull some slack through, but be sure not to be hung up on any edges. Give yourself enough slack to route the connector to the receiver. Next, let's remove 3 trim clips from the underbody panel. Now let's pass our wiring behind the underbody panel. Now to mount the wiring onto your bracket of choice. I'm going to use this receiver bracket from Expert Towing Products. It is not included with the harness, but it can be picked up at your nearest local U-Haul Hitch Center or ordered from the link in the description below. You simply place it over the receiver and install the strap with the provided hardware. Make sure the slope goes to the front of the vehicle. Tighten them down using an 11mm socket and a 10mm wrench. Tighten snugly both sides before returning to fully tighten so as to keep the bars straight and in line. Pass the 4-flat connector between a fascia bracket and the trim behind the bumper to use as an anchoring point. You can now install the connector strap with the opening facing forward. Keep the open ground connector to the driver's side for easier testing with our 4-flat testers. Before tightening, install the 4-flat dust cover. Now repeat your tightening process, doing a little for each side until they are snug. Use zip ties to secure your trailer harness to an existing wiring harness behind the underbody panel. Return your underbody clips. Pass your new trailer harness into the slit of the grommet and then reseat the grommet. Next, we'll be installing the white ground wire. 2 nuts can be found here, just above the grommet we have used. You can connect to either one. Use a 10mm socket to remove the fastener. Place the ring terminal over the stud and replace the fastener. Now, plug the wire harness into the vehicle. Plug the provided module into the trailer harness. Use double-sided sticky tape to hide the converter box next to the grommet. Insert your fuse and fuse cover. Use a zip tie to secure the loose wiring. And then hide it forward of the jacking equipment. Don't forget to return the jacking equipment and strap it down for safety. Return the jacking equipment cover. Finally, return the flooring. Let's take a look at some of the features of our SmartConnect trailer wiring. First, you'll notice that when a trailer is connected, the vehicle recognizes the connection immediately on the dash screen. Second, if a light on the trailer has an issue, you'll also see a message on the dash indicating a problem. Finally, to prevent unwanted braking from the rear backup sensors, the vehicle will automatically disable this feature when you have a trailer connected. That concludes the installation of the U-Haul SmartConnect trailer wiring. Thank you so much for watching. Always remember to practice safe trailering, and I can't wait to see you out there. If you have any questions about the products seen in this video, or if you'd like to schedule an installation with your local U-Haul hitch professional, please visit us online at uhaulhitches.com. You can also download the U-Haul app using the link in the description for even more ways to manage your hitch and towing needs.